Okay guys, here we are. We've got Shabir, of course. He's back in the house.
Hello.
Looking thin, trim, slim.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Appreciate it.
We're gonna knock out another It's Not Gourmet meal. It's gonna be in the crock pot. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be
Super radical chicken and potatoes.
oh, so stick around. This is a Paleo Plus. All right guys, we got our cleavers ready. We're gonna be using these in a second, but for right now, we're gonna focus on that Paleo Plus. And today we have potatoes, right? You kind of get sick of sweet potatoes, maybe?
Yeah, after a while.
It seems like they're in everything. So we're just gonna use some regular kind of red-skinned, waxy potatoes. I'm gonna cut through these. Shabir's gonna cut through 1.5 onions. This is 2.5 pounds of red potatoes. All right guys, now we're gonna throw our onions and our potatoes in the bowl. Right there, we'll set that aside. And then we got our cleavers here. We're gonna get into this. Should we start breast side up? Just kind of go right down the middle like that. Okay, you go. Boom. Got it.
I don't have
Use the
accuracy.
cleaver, dude. Yeah, just don't hit your finger. There you go. One more. Good. Nice, Shabir. And then from there, we can just lift up here, kind of right where the leg is. If you lift the leg high, opens up some skin, kind of makes a path. Then we just, right there. That's good. Yeah! Con autoridad, se dice. With authority, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's it. We just quartered those up.
Easy
We're gonna
peasy.
throw these in with our potatoes. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna clean this mess up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna feature Paleo Nick's Super Radical Rib Rub. While it's formulated for ribs, it's
Awesome on everything else.
yeah, dude. Look at this guy, salesman. Go ahead, open that up, Shabir. We're gonna go 4 kind of heaping tablespoons of the Super Radical Rib Rub in with our chicken, potatoes, and onions. Beautiful, beautiful. And if you guys, the more you can toss this through the air so that a lot of rib rub floats off, the more rib rub I'm gonna sell. So I recommend. No, so from there, let's get her. It's gonna cook down. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go 7 hours on high again, 10 to 12 on low.
Absolutely.
Do it overnight or during the day, however you want to do it. But when it's done, it's gonna look like this. Bam! Yeah, so there we go, you guys. It's all done. You see, it's the same as we did last time. We're mixing it up a little bit. So this is the complete product. Dumped it in the hotel pan, let it cool, and then now we're gonna peel away some of the fat, and you'll see this gel. We got a nice, tasty. That's the flavor, guys. That is good stuff, huh? So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna kind of peel away some of this fat, get this portioned out, and we'll let you know what it looks like before we slam it in the Paleo bank account.
Nice.
Okay, Shabir, do you want to give us a rundown on what we're looking at here?
So you have 2 chickens divvied up over 8 plates. That's a quarter of a chicken per plate. Roughly about $8 to $10 of food cost in comparison to our short ribs.
Those were a little pricey, huh?
They're a little pricey.
So we're just balancing it out here. This is the Super Radical Slow Cooker chicken with potatoes. Plus potatoes. Paleo Plus, you guys. So if you're not into the potatoes, no big deal. The way I look at it is if a potato is the worst thing you're eating, you're doing okay. If you don't want to eat those, just swap it with yams or sweet potatoes,
Absolutely.
right? No big deal. So once again, my man Shabir is here looking slim and trim in the Paleo Garage, and we're doing what we can to help you guys keep it paleo.